This week's painting is to create a symbolic painting inspired by the artistry of Mikalojus Ciurlionis. He was a Lithuanian artist, composer, writer, and public figure who lived between the years 1875 and 1911. Čiurlionis is the most important composer and painter of Lithuania, who is regarded as a national icon. The artwork of Čiurlionis has a unique place in European modern art. Not only because it is so connected with the identity of a country that was suppressed for centuries, but especially because it is absolutely distinctive and authentic in its approach and themes. The paintings of Čiurlionis have ethereal and otherworldly quality. They reveal a different realm that is not familiar to us. They display a world in which realism is fused with supernatural. Instead of the images of reality, they show us what is emotionally imaginable. They have poetic quality that relies completely on the artist's personal insights and emotion. Many of the artworks of Čiurlionis are painted with the medium of tempera. His artworks are strongly influenced by Lithuanian landscape, mythology, and folklore. They are made of symbols that often appear in the shape of human or animal. They are full of natural forms like birds, trees, mountains, snakes, and the sun. The paintings of Čiurlionis give us the impression of images that are seen from a bird's eye view. There's a shade of cosmic vision and deep inner concentration in them. Čiurlionis is interested in the origin of the universe and its structure. He paints the spirit that governs the world, nature, and its seasonal cycles. He portrays the evolution of psychological states and being and the sense of human life. Many of his canvases are showing dichotomies such as light and darkness, morning and evening, life and death, vertical and horizontal. As a painter and a composer, Čiurlionis creates a close link between his music and his art. He reflects his love of nature by integrating colors and musical compositions. He fuses sound with forms and colors through synesthetic perception. To him, the world is a great symphony. His paintings often have musical titles like Prelude, Scherzi, Andante, Allegro, and Finale. The music accompanying the present video is one of his musical compositions. Mikalojus Ciurlionis was born in the small Lithuanian town of Varėna. He was a child prodigy, a pianist by the age of 5, and organist by the age of 6. Between the ages of 13 to 16, he attended an orchestral school where he learned to play several other instruments and also sang in the choir. After enrolling in the Warsaw School of Art in 1904, he got into painting seriously. He spent 6 intense years creating artworks while writing and composing music and supporting himself by giving private lessons. During this short period, he created 400 musical pieces and 300 works of art. In 1911, diagnosed with severe exhaustion and struggling with his mental health, he was admitted to a sanatorium near Warsaw, where he died of pneumonia at the age of 36. He was never able to sell a single painting during his lifetime. The art of Mikalojus Ciurlionis remained unknown in Western countries for a long time. The independence of Lithuania in 1990 finally gave the start to an international reappraisal of Čiurlionis' artworks. From then on, a series of exhibitions of his art was arranged in Japan, the United States, Germany, France, Italy, Belgium, and England. From the dawn of the 21st century on, the popularity of Čiurlionis as a great master has been increasing rapidly. The Museum Belvedere in Netherlands is the first museum to devote a solo exhibit to Čiurlionis' works. This is a large exhibition titled Beyond Heaven and Earth that opened in February of 2024.